cabin security. Ladies and gentlemen, making a final approach into Heathrow now, so we ask you to take one final check that your seatbelts are securely fastened. And also bear in mind of the nearest emergency exit, which may be behind you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Heathrow, where the local time here is 7:15. For your comfort, but especially for your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has stopped moving and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please check the overhead bins in the seat pocket in front of you for personal belongings before leaving the aircraft. Please be careful when opening the overhead bins, as items may move during the flight, which may flow, causing injury to you or another passenger. And don't forget to check out our website at aerlingus.com for cheapest fares, great hotels, travel insurance and Aer Lingus cars. Security personnel may request that you identify yourself. May we suggest that you have some form of identification ready for inspection, such as your passport. On behalf of Captain Dennis Kelleher and the crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with Aer Lingus today. We hope you have enjoyed your flight with us, and we look forward to welcoming aboard again very soon. Slán agus Banach Dilip Gair, thank you and have a very safe onward journey. Ladies and gentlemen, for those of you connecting flights here out of Heathrow, Aer Lingus operates out of Terminal 2. We just ask you to follow the flight connection signs, which are located throughout the terminal building. We also ask you to take one final check in the seat pocket in front of you for any wallets, passports, any other personal items you may place there during the flight before disembarking the aircraft. Thank you.